That's why.
Oh my gosh, that's much better.
Welcome back, everyone, to Ricardo's Garage. So we realized that everybody loves Ricardo's Garage, so
Why wouldn't they?
we're back for episode 2. So we're gonna replace the throttle body. Okay.
Little backstory on it. The wife was driving down the road and the check engine light came on and the throttle stopped working. Apparently that's a big thing on these Fords, especially the 2011, 2012. They have electronic throttle position or throttle actuator. So the throttles actually ran like a fly-by-wire kind of thing. So I did a little research and basically there's a module on the side of the throttle body, but ironically they don't sell just the module, they just sell the whole throttle body with the module. So I believe $85 off of Amazon.com and we're ready to put it in. So let's look at the box and we'll see what comes with it. Ooh, unboxing.
Ooh. Favorite part.
Works.
All right.
That's the old part.
So as you can see, that's the old part. You know, you just need to stop wearing dry fit shirts.
What?
You need to stop wearing dry fit shirts.
What?
You look better than me. I need to go to the gym. All the horsepower. So we're back. Anyways, now that we fixed the Mustang, we will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.